Ready, set, go. Hi, my name's Urban Reininger, and I'll be your instructor for the Coding Python Text Adventure micro course. This course really is just kind of a way to explore Python, but to tie it around a story. My inspiration for this was these kind of, when I was a kid, these Choose Your Own Adventure books. This one I actually still have. And the adventure books worked like this. You would start reading the story, you would get to the bottom of the page, and then it would ask you if you wanted to stay and talk to the guy, or if you wanted to fight, or if you wanted to report it to the FBI, and basically whatever choice you picked would send you to a different part of the book, and then you get a different part of the story. So it was something that I really loved, and you can kind of go back and reread and try to decide what decisions were the right decisions inside of it. And that's what we're going to actually do in the Python course. We're going to you're going to first start off by writing a story or basing a story around something you already know, laying out a flowchart for it, and then we're going to code it so that as people play the game, they can type in their choices and go different places, and then see if they can actually pass your adventure. So join me. It should be a fun adventure. It should only take you a couple hours to actually complete, and thank you so much for joining us.